Hi viewers, if you have used AI image generators like Midjourney, you might want to ask, is there a way to upscale AI images in bulk? It's not just that we have to wait for the images to come out one after one, but also because the default image resolution is only 1024 by 1024, which quality is not that enough compared with 4K resolution. In this video, I will show you how to upscale multiple AI images altogether with bulk AI image upscaler. I have already generated some AI images using Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Leonardo AI. The resolution are all around 1024 by 1024. What we want to do next is open HitPaw Photo Enhancer to bulk upscale the images. I will put the link of this bulk AI image upscaler in the description. Visit the link and you can easily get it on your desktop. Then, select all the images and drop them into HitPaw Photo Enhancer. As you can see, all the images are listed here. We can click on the down arrow button and minimize them to the bottom. And this is the main interface. The images are now looking blurry and pixelated if we zoom in. Next, we want to use the 6 AI models on the right side to enlarge the AI images. Each model has different effects for certain cases, like the face model is perfect to fix out of focus portrait, and the colorize model is ideal for colorizing black and white photos. I am not gonna cover all the models in this video. Kindly refer to my other videos if you want to know more features of it. In this case, we can choose the face model to upscale the photo. The AI has already detected the face. Then select your desired resolution. We are able to upscale it by 4 times, even 8 times. The resolution will reach to a very high level. After that, click on the preview button to make sure you are satisfied with the result. Let's zoom in and take a look at the details. Very big enhancement, isn't it? Now you have successfully turned a blurry and pixelated AI image into high quality. As for other photos, use the same method to apply suitable AI models for them. I will quickly show you the results as you already know the process. This is the result of applying the denoise model. The image gets sharpened and gain very high quality details. The anime girl gets upscaled using the denoise model as well. The AI model improves the original pixelated quality. The output image becomes softer and cleaner with details kept well. Besides that, we can also make a quick edit to the image ratio by clicking on the crop button. Customize the size easily for different needs. What's more, there are more quality settings in the Preferences menu. We can decide the maximum active tasks, choose whether to keep EXIF data, select export format, and changing the DPI parameter for different situations. If you have picked a perfect model for all images already, simply click Apply Current Settings to all, and all images will have the same settings. Greatly save your time. Lastly, click on the Export button, and we are able to save the images to the PC in bulk. No needs of further clicks. This will be very convenient if you have like dozens or hundreds of images to upscale. Feel free to try different models to find the one that works best for your images. Alright, this is how to upscale AI images in bulk. If you find this video useful, please like and share it so that more people can get to know the tip. To watch more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and we will keep you updated of latest multimedia tools. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time.